Hi, so my name is Wendell, and today we're gonna be looking how to do advanced search. And we go into advanced search through settings. It's all gonna be like Google tools. So first thing you want to do is go to your colors and pick what color you want. I'm gonna pick green stickers. And then you want to see what type of image you want. It could be clip art, face photo, line drawing, or animated. The region doesn't really matter that much, but if you want to select the region from where the picture has come from, you can do that. You can put what type of size you want. Mostly you would rather want 700 and above. And these are the legal rights, so you would want to press free to use, share, or modify, even commercially, if you want to use it on Photoshop. And then you search, and they should pop up.